Video we are going to see how to create a Microsoft account. So go to your official website and go to sign in page, then enter your email address. Yes, I'm going to create a new address right now, so I'm entering a new address. So like this, you need to enter your email address. Yes. Once you're entering Outlook, they have an option in right side, Outlook or Hotmail. Depends on you. You can choose and give next. And in this, you need to create a password. Yes. Create a password at least 8 characteristics and include uppercase letter and lowercase letters, numbers. Yes. And after that, you need to give your country and your date of birth. Yes. Give some details. It will ask. So there is no problem. You can give it and give next. And you need to enter your name. Yes. Ensure your first name and last name. Yes. And once it completed, click next. Yes. And it's present. You need to prove you are human. Yes. What are the things it's telling me to do? After that, yes. Now it's the last part. The account is loading and the one more part is there. So in this you can read it and click OK. Your Microsoft account is created. So thank you.